What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BT9 This is going to be our 5-lug hub kit for a BT9 spindle. That's the 1 1/16 spindle. As you can see here, this is the box you get it in. Got our nice logo on it there. Pull this out. We have our hub. Now this is going to fit most Dexter, Lippert, Alco Hayes axles. This will not fit your marine style axles. We can see here, this is our 5-lug hub. This is going to have our 1/2-inch studs on it, along with the races are already pressed in. And we can see here, from outer to outer, this is about 6 inches. And then on this top piece, it's about 2.5. And then from the base to the top, it's right at 1 3/4. And we can see here, we have our small parts. And we have our grease cap here. We have our seal, and our seal is going to be 1.5 on the inner diameter and 1.9 on the outer. We're going to have our 2 bearings, our inner and our outer. These are going to be the 44649 bearings. These are going to be our Timken made bearings, stamped, made in the US. And then we're going to have our 5 lug nuts here. These are going to be our 1/2-inch cone style lug nuts. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the BT9 Spindle.